In this video, you'll learn how to print or download and save client notes to your local drive. On the contact record page, you'll see a tab here called Notes, and over here you'll see Private Notes, which are notes that you've taken for your private eyes only. These notes are not shared with clients. You'll also see a tab called All Program Notes, which lists all of the programs that this client has been engaged with you and all of the notes that you've taken as part of each unique program that you are enrolled in with this client. To print your notes, what you'll need to do is select it, and then you'll see this little icon light up. Once I click on this, I'll be able to then save this note as a PDF or send it to my printer to print. You'll also notice that the header of the note says private notes for Annie. In this case, this is the client, and so it is very clear to me who this note is for. I can also select all notes, and this will enable me to print all of my notes in one workflow. And if I click on Export as PDF, you will see all of these notes appear here in a single PDF document. I can also export the note here using this three-dot button icon. And if I am in the note itself, you'll see that I can also click on the three-dot button here to export it as a PDF as well. Now, if I would like to go to the Programs tab to see all of the programs that I'm enrolled in with this client, if I click on a specific program card and look at my notes here, I can also select my notes here in order to export them as a PDF. This gives you lots of flexibility on how you can export or save the note that you are enrolled in with this client. This will allow you to export notes even if you stopped or decided to stop using CoachVantage as your coaching platform. You'll still be able to export all of the notes that you've taken with your client. I hope that was helpful, and happy coaching.